Hi, my name is Hina Arif, trainer of Wella Professionals Pakistan. Let's have a look on how to achieve natural looking grey coverage using Illumina Color. Illumina Color is a range of sheer and natural looking colors which give incredible shine and luminosity in every kind of light. My client is looking for a natural blended look to cover her greys, and she has about 50% greys with a natural level of 6. We have chosen Illumina Color 6 and 7-stroke 3 to cover her natural greys. We are using Illumina 6 30 ml and 7-3 30 ml, mixing these two with 20 volume peroxide. Starting from the back using Wella Way brickwork. So we cover the whole back using brickwork technique by Wella and go all the way back, completing the back section. After completing the back, we come to the front section and cover the greys. This is the result of our Illumina Color Natural Grey Coverage. It has beautifully blended all her greys, which were 50%, now 100% coverage, as you can see.